Hi everyone, welcome back to another very short but also very informative YouTube tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Memoji on your MacBook. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to open the Messages app by holding Command and Space and search for Messages. Also, you may search for Messages by clicking on the F4 button and then click on search and search for messages. Open the Messages app and then here you should click on the App Store button or logo and click for Memoji stickers. Afterwards, you may also customize a new Memoji and then also you may search or use your customized emoji, also the default emoji. And then also please do remember to use Memoji whenever the person is using iMessage only. For example, I will use this one and then hit enter and then that's it. That's how you can use Memoji on your MacBook. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.